Okay, yeah, we're not gonna do that this time. Anyways, I just ordered some food from jalapeño, and it's my first time having real Mexican food. Thanks, Soshi. I got what do we call it? A steak taco. It smells weird. A chorizo, C-H-O-R-I-Z-O. I think it's like a sausage taco, and this big fat burrito. But I think that's hot sauce and stuff all over it. Oh, I don't like hot sauce like that, so we're gonna have to scrape that off. And I got me a water bottle. I don't do hot sauce like that. Yeah, hot sauce even stinks. Anyways, how was you guys' day? Mine was going good. It really was. Ooh. Oh, it looks so good. Mine was going good, and then I got called to the office because Mr. Freaking Nunn. I'm not gonna go into detail because he really does not deserve my attention. He doesn't deserve to be on my camera. So good. Deserve to be on my camera and on my YouTube. So we ain't gonna talk about it. Just know that whatever he got karma coming for him. I'll make sure of it. It kind of does. I mean, it has a taste, but it's like faint. I don't know. I taste more the corn shell more, but it's pretty good. Ooh, I'm gonna put some of this in there. For the longest, I didn't even know that lemon and lime taste different. Man. I hope you guys enjoyed my other mukbangs. I think everybody enjoyed when I had a guest star more, because I wasn't boring like now. Ooh. Yup, I'm next to the sink. Yup! What's gonna do about it? My food came, and I was in the middle of watching a TV show on my phone, and I was like, ugh. I guess I'll just do the mukbang real quick. I was watching This Is Us. It's really good. I was gonna say it's pretty good. No, this show's really good. I love it. I'm also watching I'm gonna watch How to Get Away with Murder afterwards. This has already been 3 minutes and I haven't done anything, so let's switch that up. The lemon, the lemon added so much flavor to this. Okay, so what you guys don't know, I got 3 birds and a dog. And earlier in class, my friends told me how they do ASMRs with their dogs. Guess what I'm finna do? A mukbang with my dog. Hold up. Ruby! She isn't coming right now, but I might show you guys at the end of the video. But she's an American Bulldog, and she loves to eat. So, me and her are gonna do a mukbang together. Yep. I don't know when I'm gonna order her though. I feel like I should go to like one of those pet stores and get her like those like dry animal parts, like dry chicken feet and stuff like that. But I don't know. That's for later. I wish the tacos were bigger, like I've been seeing Mexicans with. No, that wasn't supposed to be racist, but I be seeing people with some big old tacos. This is a steak one. So I would talk about life, society, but I don't really have a life, and I don't know what's going on in society because all I do is watch Netflix. Watch Vampire Diaries. After Vampire Diaries is over, I think I'm gonna watch. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, surprisingly, it's not even cold. I thought it was gonna be cold. Ooh, too much onion. I'm making the ugliest faces on here. Not cold, but it's dry. Oh my god. Oh wait, I don't know if I already said this, but for the longest I thought lemon and lime taste the same. Maybe I just thought it. You guys need to give me content ideas. Cause, oh, you know what, let's talk about food. I ordered something from McDonald's the other day, and they really could have put less onions in there because they just did with my onions and messed me up. Not messed me up, but like, oh! I tried a hot pickle today in class. I posted it. It was like, I mean, it kind of tasted like a regular pickle. And it was good. No, it did taste like a regular pickle and it was good. But it was mad spicy. Like, it was actually a spicy pickle. So like hot sauce, but inside of a pickle. I don't know. It was weird. Okay. I really want to try this. I'm gonna just take the top off because I don't like hot sauce. That looks so good. I don't like guacamole or sour cream either. Nasty. Ew, I'm eating like a bunch of onions right now. All right. This burrito is delicious. You got so I would do a poll on my Instagram, but like last time I did that, about 20 y'all looked at it, but ain't nobody respond. So the video might have to be cut short, so I don't know what to talk about. This food is really good though. This is so good. Hold up. Ooh. El Jalapeno. My Instagram notifications coming on, and I ain't even post a video yet. Hey. I'm gonna be doing a collab soon. Hopefully soon. That should be. Yeah. Yup. So I'll have another guest star on here. Gosh, was 10 on. This is so good. And big. Ah, that's what she said. Okay.